Welcome back to Charisar classes. I am Sagunachari Mudimoksham, Vedic Mathematics and Creative Memory Skills Trainer. Today's topic is any number divided by 125. Already I have given two videos on this division, that is any number divided by 5 and any number divided by 125. Now this is the third technique in division, that is any number divided by 125. Here any number will be either integral number or decimal number, and these are all the techniques are very useful for competitive exams and also for academic exams. Here in this technique, let's consider from 2-digit number onwards. 2-digit number, 3-digit number, 4-digit number and so on. Let's consider first 2-digit number. Suppose if you want to divide 36 by 125, this is equal to 0.288. 0.288 is the answer when you divide 36 by 125. Let's check one more example we consider, that is some 64 divided by 125. When for this also we can write within one step, within 5 seconds of time. So 0.512 is the result when you divide 64 by 125. Similarly, we can consider one more 3-digit number also. The 3-digit number is 142 divided by 125. This can be also, we can write within one step and within 5 seconds of time, like this. So your answer is 1.136 when you divide 142 by 125. Let's consider one more 4-digit number, that is 2435 divided by 125. A 4-digit number it is. So now is 19.480, which can be also written as 19.48. So this is the result. So when you divide 2435 by 125, like this, any digital number you can divide by 125 within 5 seconds of time and within only one step. And also we consider now some decimal numbers. So now we consider some decimal numbers, how to divide these decimal numbers by 125. Let's consider some examples. Here, first example we'll take it as some 6.8 divided by 125. So what to write? So 544 has come, but this is not the answer. In the given number, after one digit there is a point. So you need to put the point 0.054 is the answer. When you divide 6.8 divided by 125, that is equal to 0.0544 is the answer. Suppose one more example we consider, some 232 point decimal number. We consider 0.32 divided by 125. Now we can write the answer here. So now where to put the decimal point? The decimal point will be here. So that is 1.8585856 is the answer. Now one more example we consider. So that is like this. Means 452.324 divided by 125. So what it is? What is the result? The result is and where to put the point? So the point will be here. That is 3.618592 is the result when you divide by 125. So like this, within one step, within 5 seconds of time, we can write the answers very accurately and very fast. Now we try to understand the technique behind this fast calculation. Suppose any number is given, suppose 2-digit number is given, what to do? See, some 2-digit number is given as 38 divided by 125. So what to do? So first take this 38 here and you need to multiply by 8. 8 8s are 64, 8 3s are 24 and 24 plus 6 can be transferred to here, that will be 304. This is not the answer. Just write down here 304. Now what is the answer? From the right hand side, after 3 digits you place the decimal point. For that there is a reason. That reason also we discuss. Why we are placing the decimal point after 3 digits from the right hand side. So let's put here this 0.304 is the answer when you divide 38 by 125. Similarly, one 3-digit number we consider, that is 148 divided by 125. So what we do? The same way you can take 148 and multiply by 8. 32, 8 ones are 8. This is 4. If you are taking 6 here, this becomes 8 and this becomes 11. Write down here 1184. So from the right hand side, after 3 digits, you put the decimal point. 1, 2, 3. So 1.184 is the answer. Suppose one decimal number we consider here. So the decimal number is 362.446 and divided by 125. Here also you take the digits as it is, 36246 without decimal point you take, and multiply by 4 for multiply by 8. This one, like 8 6 are 48, 8 4s are 32, 8 2s are 16, 8 6 are 48, 8 3s are 24. Now 8 4, if you take here 6, this becomes 9, this becomes 9, this becomes 28. Write down here what it is: 289,968. Already in the given number, from the right hand side, after 2 digits there is a decimal point. Now you need to move this one more 3 digits. So that is total this 2 digits and more 3 digits. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 digits from the right hand side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can put here decimal point. Our answer is 2.89968 is the answer when you divide 362.46 with 125. Sir, every time why we are multiplying with 8 and why we are taking the decimal point after 3 digits? That is because, let's consider one more example. See, suppose if you want to multiply divide 462 if you want to divide by 125. How we write this one? Means 462 by 125 we write. Okay. Suppose if you multiply and divide by 8, any fraction can be multiplied and divided by a constant. The fraction value remains the same. So when I am multiplying with this 462 into 8, what happens? 462 into 8. 8 2s are 16, 8 6s are 48, 8 4s are 32. That is 6, 9, 36. So what we can write here? 3696 divided by 125 if you multiply with 8. So what you get? That is 1000. It is a decimal fraction. When the decimal fraction is there, so down how many zeros are there? There are 3 zeros. Therefore, you need to place the decimal point after 3 digits from the right hand side. So that is 3.696 is the answer. This is a decimal fraction. Whenever you want to write decimal form, you can remove this the fraction and you can write down 3.696. So we place the decimal point after 3 digits from the right hand side. This is the reason behind placing after 3 digits decimal point. If already decimal point is there after 2 digits like this, for this again 3 digits we need to add. 2 plus 3 is total 5. After 5 digits from the right hand side, we can place the decimal point like this. So this is very useful technique for all your competitive calculations and academic calculations. I think you enjoyed this technique. If you like it, please like, comment and share. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe. And there are many videos are on the way. So all the videos you watch and learn and enjoy. Thank you. Thank you very much.